Awendaw, South Carolina homeowners need reliable pool care that handles the unique demands of Lowcountry weather, and SC Coastal Pools delivers professional pool cleaning, pool maintenance, and pool repair services throughout Awendaw and the greater Charleston area. Living on the coast means your pool faces conditions that inland pools simply don't. Awendaw summers push temperatures above 95 degrees for weeks at a time. That extreme heat accelerates algae growth in residential pools. High humidity in Awendaw increases evaporation rates, which concentrates chemicals unevenly and throws water chemistry out of balance. Salt air from the nearby Atlantic corrodes pool pumps, damages pool heaters, and degrades metal pool fixtures faster than most homeowners realize. If you skip regular pool cleaning in Awendaw, algae will overtake your pool surface within days during peak summer. Neglecting water chemistry testing leads to cloudy, unsafe water that irritates skin and eyes. Failing to maintain pool equipment in a coastal environment shortens the lifespan of pumps and filters by years, not months. SC Coastal Pools solves these problems with structured, consistent service. SC Coastal Pools. Technicians perform weekly pool cleaning for Awendaw homeowners that includes skimming, vacuuming, brushing tile walls, and emptying skimmer baskets. Each weekly visit follows a clear process. The technician inspects the pool, tests the water chemistry, adjusts chlorine and pH levels, cleans all pool surfaces, and checks equipment operation before leaving. SC Coastal Pools provides comprehensive pool maintenance in Awendaw that goes beyond basic cleaning. Maintenance service includes balancing total alkalinity, monitoring calcium hardness, inspecting O-rings and gaskets, lubricating pump seals, and verifying filter pressure readings. Proper pool maintenance in Awendaw prevents costly breakdowns and keeps pool water safe for families to swim in year-round. When coastal weather damages pool equipment, SC Coastal Pools offers dependable pool repair in Awendaw. SC Coastal Pools technicians diagnose and repair pool pumps, replace pool filters, fix pool heaters, and restore circulation systems. Pool repair in Awendaw requires technicians who understand how salt air corrosion and humidity affect equipment differently than standard wear, and SC Coastal Pools has that local expertise. Awendaw's storm season creates additional challenges for pool owners. Heavy rainfall dumps organic debris into pools, crashes chlorine levels overnight, and introduces phosphates that feed algae blooms. SC Coastal Pools responds to storm-related pool issues quickly, restoring water clarity and chemical balance so Awendaw families can get back to swimming faster. Choosing a local pool service company matters more than most Awendaw homeowners think. A pool care provider unfamiliar with Lowcountry conditions will miss the early signs of salt corrosion, underestimate algae pressure, and recommend maintenance schedules that don't match Awendaw's climate. SC Coastal Pools operates locally in Awendaw, understands Charleston area weather patterns, and tailors every service visit to coastal pool conditions. SC Coastal Pools keeps Awendaw pools clean, balanced, and fully operational, every visit, every season. Call SC Coastal Pools today at 8438-067838 to schedule weekly pool cleaning, routine pool maintenance, or professional pool repair in Awendaw, South Carolina. Your pool deserves local coastal-grade care.